Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 RedSec DirectX get device removed region error.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. Step 2. Check for the latest graphics driver update. Step 3. Download and install it. Step 4. Restart your PC and try the game again. Fix 2. Reinstall DirectX. Step 1. Go to the official Microsoft DirectX download page. Step 2. Download and install the latest version. Step 3. Restart your PC and launch Battlefield RedSec again. Fix 3. Turn off GPU overclocking. Step 1. Open your GPU tuning app, like MSI Afterburner. Step 2. Reset all settings to default. Step 3. Close the tool and restart your PC. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam or EA app. Step 2. Right-click Battlefield RedSec properties, verify game files, or repair on EA app. Step 3. Wait for it to finish, then restart your PC. Fix 5. Lower graphics settings. Step 1. Open the game. Go to Settings, Graphics. Step 2. Set texture quality, shadows, and effects to medium or low. Step 3. Turn off and V-Sync